Hi, I'm Sue and I'm a paper crafting expert. Today I'm going to show you some matting and layering techniques that you can use on your card making designs. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. Matting and layering is the most commonly used and essential technique, and it involves layering up cardstock, patterned paper onto your card base and leaving a border around the outside to frame. Now these can be glued together with dry adhesives such as double-sided tape, adhesive foam pads and a glue stick, and you can cut the panels by using a trimmer or a craft knife and a metal ruler. Start by deciding on your design and gathering the cardstock you want to use. Use a ruler to measure the size of the matted layers needed and trim to size using a paper trimmer or craft knife and ruler. Starting with the largest layer first, adhere this to your card blank. For this design, we're using double-sided tape. Apply the second layer, followed by any remaining layers. If you'd like to add a little dimension to your card design, use foam pads to secure panels in place. Once the last layer has been applied, secure any final elements to complete the card design. Thank you for joining me for this video. If you'd like some more card making inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you for more videos soon.